In the construction world, there's one thing you can count on: change. Fortunately, adapting to it is what builders do best. But no matter what challenges you face, you want products you can trust that make it easier for you to get the job you're doing done right the first time and every time. That's why we created Zip System Building Enclosures. Our high-performance roof and wall assemblies streamline air, moisture, and with Zip System R-sheathing, even thermal barriers. And we have a wide range of integrated structural panel and flashing products to fit any project you're working on. Whether you're adjusting to timelines, codes, weather, or clients, you can count on Zip System products to keep your build all zipped up. Find the right products for your job at ZIPSystem.com.